a puzzle piece in the shape of a triangle. So what's a triangle?
A three-sided thing.
3 sides. Okay, so draw any 3-sided figure.
What the heck? That's like the last triangle I draw.
Really?
Yes.
It looks like that.
I usually just go like.
But have you seen any triangles that are also puzzle pieces?
Well, we're making life simple.
Yeah.
I know.
I saw one that was in the shape of a triangle.
When I did my puzzle last
Yeah.
night,
You just add a bunch of them and they make a circle.
That's true.
Okay, so it has a perimeter of 32. How do you get a perimeter? Okay. So we know we're going to be adding 3 sides here, and it will equal 32 for our final equation. One side of the triangle is twice as long as the shortest side. Do I know how long my shortest side is?
No.
So that would be my x. So the next one is twice as long, so that would be 2x. The longest side is 4 centimeters more than the medium side. So which one's my medium side?
2x.
2x. So 4 more than that.
2x plus 4.
Okay, so that's defining my variables. So then we add all 3 of those together. So x plus 2x plus 2x plus 4. So we add like terms. Subtract the 4.
How do you get 7x?
I don't know. About 5x.
Oh, I was going with it, man. I was tweaking.
I
I even like saw the whole thing already.
Yeah,
X equals
7 was a
4.
much prettier answer, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Nah.
Alright, so x equals 28 over 5, or if you did a decimal, that would be
5.6.
5.6. So the question was to find the length of the longest side.
Hypotenuse is 5.6.
X was my shortest, so we have to plug this in to get the longest. So 2 times 5.6 plus 4.
15
Plus it.
centimeters.
So we know we have to always write a sentence at the end for these word problems. Make sure you answer the question that was asked. So we were asked for the longest side here. All right. Is that one okay? So that was the first type of problem we did. Then we had the mixture problem. So let's try one of these. How did we always begin with the mixture problem?
Make a
Table.
Yeah, we made that table to kind of organize our information because we had so much stuff going on. What formula did we put across the top?
Amount.
P times.
Oh,
Is it R?
No, that's
Dang.
the other one. It's the gauge you had.
I thought it was the amount, concentration, and amount period.
Mm-hmm.
Dang. Okay.
With all.
And you can call your rows whatever you want. The most generic option is first, second, total. You can be more specific if you like. So when we read the problem, it says how many gallons of pure alcohol? So how many gallons? We don't know it. So that means X. If it's pure, what is the concentration?
100%.
All right. Should be mixed with 20 gallons of a 15% alcohol. So my amount of the second one is 20. Concentration, bless you. 0.1.
That's what I'm saying. Those things are.
Allergies are kicking them.
They're lethal,
Do I
man.
need to close the windows?
No.
To obtain a mixture that is 25. So this is 0.25. What would be my amount?
X plus 1.
And then how do we get my amount pure?
Multiplied across.
Multiply across. So x times 1 is x. 0.15 times 20. 0.25 times x plus 20. And we know with these you add the first and second to equal your total. equally and multiply 0.15 times 20 is 3 equals 0.25 x. 0.25 times 20
It's
is
5.
5. Okay, combine like terms, so if I subtract over my 0.25x, subtract the 3 equals 2. Divide. You get a repeating decimal, so it's fraction.
8 over 3.
No, yes, 8.
Good job.
The question was how many gallons of the pure, and if we look, X was the amount of pure, so we just have to write a sentence.
What's happening in the gym?
A game.
They're not having as much fun as you guys are.
That's right.
Way more
Yeah.
excited.
They're freshmen. They'll have this pain in 2 years.
Oh, the freshman?
Yeah, they have freshmen. The A first are.
I see why.
It is.
Okay,
Let's get rid of
one more.
Nah, I think fine.
You know she's gonna make us do it no matter
Well, I'm
what.
not going to make you, but you're going to have them on your review. Do we want to try an interest problem?
One more.
Yeah.
Let's
Yes.
look.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
one more.
Last one I have for you.
That's it.
Why?
Stop, dude.
So it says, a man bought 2 plots of land for a total of $120,000. When he sold the first plot, he made a profit of 15%. When he sold the second, he lost 10%. His total profit was $5,500. How much did he pay for each piece of land? This is a little bit different than interest, but we could probably set it up the same way. Okay, we're not really strictly talking about interest, but the interest formula will get us what we need here. So what was the interest formula?
Times T equals I.
Okay. So he bought 2 plots of land for a total of $120,000. Where do I put that?
Total.
Total principal or interest?
Principal.
Principal. When he sold the first plot, he made a profit of 15%. What would my percent be?
3.
When he sold the second, he lost 10%. How would I show a loss?
Negative 0.1.
Total profit was $5,500. What would that be like? Total interest. Okay, if I don't make any mention of time, what did I tell you guys to use?
1.
All right, do I know how much we paid for the first? So that would be X. Okay, so if I have 120,000 altogether and I've used X,
Minus
6.
120,000 minus X. So then we multiply across. And we set up just like the others. Add the first 2 to equal the total. Did you guys get 70,000? So the question was, how much did he pay for each piece? So if he paid $70,000 for the first. And how would you find out the amount for the second?
120,000 minus that.
So 120,000 minus 70,000 is 50,000 for the second.
You should do one of those problems where it's like
A, B, and C.
CX.
You like this? I'll put one on your homework for you. Probably one on your quiz too. So you have the rest of the hour to do a review handout, practicing all the different types of problems in this section. So it's posted on Classroom. Ask questions. This is to help prepare you for your quiz tomorrow. So if there's something you don't understand, that's why I'm giving you class time. I want you to talk to me.